this off too. What?
Aren't you supposed to,
What?
aren't you supposed to go underneath with your branches?
Yeah.
Not on your, when you do your relief cuts,
Oh, yeah,
don't
right.
you come from underneath?
That's right.
And you go deeper with every one.
Yes.
Isn't that right?
Yeah, I think you're right, yeah. Hey, stop. Good, eh? Huh? Oh. And that's that. I just figured I'd cut it into smaller pieces so it doesn't fall back on the trail.
Here's a trail that could be leaf blown.
Yeah, there's a lot of leaves on this one.
Lots of leaves.
So that's what us parks workers do here on Salt Spring Island. It is December 7th today and we are deep in the forest. Deep, deep in the forest here. That was an alder tree. And look at how it's split. Oh, okay, it came off of this one. I didn't actually really notice that. It was another one that sort of was wide off of this one, so it split off. So still got a lot of leaves up there too. A lot of these alders, and we're up high. We're up about 1,000 foot above sea level here. Not too bad, eh? Gotta love our little Husqvarna. That's the beauty of a chainsaw, and that's our small.
Really sharp.
It's really sharp, yeah. Look at those chunks coming out. Not powdery, so yeah, no, it's working good.